What's up, you guys? I'm Kiwi, better known as Kiwi Howard, here on YouTube and in real life. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing 3 easy and quick box braid hairstyles. Without further ado, subscribe if you're new, give it a thumbs up if you like this type of videos, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into these hairstyles. Okay, so the first hairstyle is pretty simple. All you're gonna really need is a few scrunchies, but really just one scrunchie. I like to call this hairstyle the half up and half down hairstyle, and it's really easy and simple. All you pretty much do is just take your scrunchie and you just want to grab like half of your hair like this, and you want to kind of make sure the front is going straight back. You can have it going to the side if you want, but I just like to have mine going straight back. And you just go ahead and apply your scrunchie. Now you want to make sure that you get all of your hair. Yeah, you want to make sure that you get all your hair, and you just go ahead and apply your scrunchie. Alright, and then there you have it. That's hairstyle number 1. Really simple and easy. There are different ways that you can do this. If you don't want it straight back like this, you can pull out at least 2 parts here in the front and have it like this. Or you can also make it a little bit higher by just pulling it up like this. And if I wear mine like this, then I like to wrap around a few pieces of the hair around my ponytail, and that is just pretty much how I like to do this style. So yeah, and that's pretty much how I like to do this style. So alright, hairstyle number 2 is one that I would not recommend you guys doing if your braids are fresh. I've had mine in for almost a month now, and the style still hurts. Okay, so, and that is the bun. So this is just a classic bun that everybody does with them. You can put it up higher, you can put it back, you know, lower or whatever. I'm gonna try to do mine high today, and pretty much all you want to do is flip your hair over and put your hair in a scrunchie and like a ponytail, just like a high up ponytail. And if you have really long braids like me, the easiest way to do this is to flip it over and then grab it by the ends. And once you grab it by the ends, it should be easier to put it in the ponytail. And then you want to just kind of pull it down and make sure that it's not like on top of each other. And if you feel like it's kind of like not straight like how this one is, you just want to take the ends of it and just pull it through. And this is just gonna make sure that all the hair is in it. Alright, so once you do that, then you want to take half of your hair and wrap it around your ponytail. Just half of the ponytail and wrap it around. And you want to tuck the ends under like that, and then you want to take the other half and wrap it in the opposite direction that you wrapped the first one. So and then there you have it. So simple, easy is that. And then of course you want to make sure your edges and everything are gelled down. I'm not really worrying about that because I keep changing my hairstyle for this video, but you want to make sure that. Okay, so hairstyle number 2, you want to just put it in a ponytail just like you did with the last hairstyle. I'm not going to take mine down because y'all seen how hard it was to get my ponytail for. This one is inspired by the Poetic Justice, Janet Jackson Poetic Justice look. And it is the scarf hairstyle. Pretty much you want to take a scarf, put your hair up in a hair ponytail or bun, and just wrap the scarf around it. She had a white one, but you can do it with so many different scarves. I have like a orange dashiki print that I want to do mine with, so you just want to take your scarf like so, and you probably want to flip your hair over so you can get this under the scarf. Okay, and then you can flip it back, and you just want to take it and cross it like this, like that. And then if yours is long like mine, then you can just wrap it around and tuck it under. And then you just want to take your hair and there, this simple scarf. And you can do this with so many different scarves, and so many different colors, and just so many different styles. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. These are the 3 easy and quick box braid hairstyles that I wanted to share with you guys. Even though it was more like 5, I still wanted to give you guys these really easy, quick, simple ones that you can do for like an everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.